Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will show you how to fix the problem if your Bluetooth isn't connecting. First, check if your Bluetooth is enabled by sliding the control center from the top of your screen, and check if your Bluetooth is colored blue, and try connecting your device again. And if this doesn't help, then what you should do is go to Settings, scroll down to System and Update Settings, then select Reset, and reset your network settings by clicking this option right here. And once you see this sign, try enabling your Bluetooth again and reconnecting to your device, and this should help. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.